Today we're going to learn about the Bellman-Ford algorithm on weighted directed graphs. Let's look at this graph. Since this graph has 6 vertices, we'll run at most 5 iterations. We start with vertex S. From S, we can reach A with cost 3 and C with cost 5, so let's update our table. Next up is vertex A. Now we know we can reach A with cost 3. Looking at the outgoing edges, we see we can reach B with cost 1, so the total cost is 4. Moving to vertex B, from B there are no outgoing edges, so we keep going. Next up is vertex C. We know we can reach C with cost 5. Looking at the outgoing edges, we can reach B with cost -3 and E with cost 5, so we update our table accordingly. For vertex D, we don't even know how to reach it yet, so we move on to E. We can reach E with cost 10. From E, we can reach D, so let's update the table. The first iteration is now complete. We'll run the second iteration, but none of the values will improve, so we can stop here. Now I'll replay the whole process with animation. There's no voiceover during the animation, so watch carefully. That's how the Bellman-Ford algorithm works. Here's the time complexity. Thank you for watching.